What's good, y'all? Welcome back. This is new. This is a very different thing that I'm doing. This is another real life video. So bear with me. Today I'm gonna be a fucking chef because I'm hungry as fuck. So today we're gonna be cooking. Prepare fucking the instant ramen. Why? Because I'm uncultured. We're gonna be using this, some water. Okay, fuck my life. Damn it. Okay. Actually, on second thought, I'm gonna use a whole cup to just measure. Fuck my life. Okay. Cup. That should do the trick. Wait, fuck me. Don't do that, actually. That's really gay. I usually do this in the microwave because, you know, ain't nobody got time for this. But I decided to actually follow instructions for once. And hey, let's see how it goes. If I fuck up, well, fuck y'all. You knew it was gonna happen. Anyway. Okay. Slap that bitch on here. Oh, fuck it. There. Some extra light. You don't fucking need it, but I don't care. Take the water. Okay. Just. Alright, great. We got that done. Perfect. Okay. Now. Wait, fuck me. Okay. God damn it. Don't make fun of my hairy arms. Fuck you. Is it boiling yet? No, I'm kidding. Alright, so we're gonna wait for that to hurry the fuck up. In the meantime, comma, I'm using my left hand, so you know. Is it open yet? Bitch. Almost got, hold on. Almost got it. Oh my god. Oh. Almost got it. Don't try this at home, kids. This is really dangerous. And by dangerous, I mean retarded. Okay. I'm so skilled. Oh my god, I'm such a bass. Delicious. Alright, let's check on the water. God damn it. Okay. You enjoy my breathing? Okay, I'm sorry. Focus. So how you guys been? Currently, I've been working on some interesting stuff. Cause I'm a senior in high school. I don't know if you knew that. My fucking god. Why? See that blue thing? It's the wrapper. Anyway. Yeah, I'm a senior in high school, so obviously we gotta do this whole senior thing with all the pictures and the quotes and all that jazz. It's cool and all. It's whatever. But yeah. I don't know. Okay. Which brings me. Get some. Don't make fun of my fridge. Fuck you. But your fridge ain't as full. And by full, I mean full of shit. Anyway, so. Yeah. Delicious. Okay. You know, senior pictures and all that stuff, yearbooks and whatnot. So, the plan was to take some of those senior pictures, right? Oh, I'm ripping this open, by the way. Yeah. So, I'm taking pictures, looking at the pictures of other people. The mistake that they made was that they made the other pictures public to everyone else. Instead of just privately emailing everyone their pictures. Because now, I have perfectly good roasting material, evaluation material. That sounds like the water. I know when it's boiling, don't worry. Okay. So yeah, that's something that I'm working on. It's a pain in the ass because there's like 300 of us. Only have like 50 photos. I'll probably do a lot less because ain't nobody got time for that. Plus, that's technically bullying, which I don't care for. Because fuck bullies. They're a bunch of pussies. But yeah. So, there's that I'm working on. Also, it's the holiday season, so I'm probably gonna buy more games for the channel because it's looking kind of dull, fam. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, look at that, looking majestic. That shit right there is disgusting. It's like a small head of lettuce. I'll fuck that up. But yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. Woo! Okay, let's go check on the water. Hi. That looks pretty cool, right? Okay, yeah, let's not do that. Okay, over it. Jesus. I just leave it in for a couple of extra minutes, just cause. Good times. Remember the cup. Remember the cup. Here's the cup. It's here. Great. Watch this stupid shit. So. Hi. Because I'm an extra. Yes, I did that. Hi. Okay. Fuck off. Thank you. Now we turn off the stuff. Turn on this bitch because it's hot as hell. Turn this light off. Woo! Don't make fun of me. Okay. Shit. Okay. Alright. Okay, yeah, so, we're back. Thing cut off because I ran out of space, so I had to do a couple things on my phone. It's been a few minutes since I put it in. Oh my god, okay, so, it's been a while since, I made the ramen video thing. Long story short, the rest of the film was unrecoverable. In fact, it's so unrecoverable it disappeared from my laptop. So, there's that. The ramen was delicious. I burned the roof of my mouth though, so that's fun. That was fun. Yeah. So, there's that. Also, yeah. What was I trying to say? Okay, yeah, so, whatever. Oh, alright, anyway, I guess I should say something like thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, you could, I don't know, do that thing. You press the like button and subscribe. Or not, I don't really care. If you do, though, you should probably press the bell. Because, you know, I might upload. Probably will, considering. And, yeah. Okay, this is awkward. Peace.